What are Facebook ads? So far, you knew Facebook as that social media website that everybody's using nowadays. Up until we showed you that there's a lot more than meets the eye in our previous video, and it is about time to go a bit deeper. As a regular user, you might not be aware of a lot of the stuff that happens in the background because, for example, do you know how companies actually get discovered on the platform? Yes, it is true that Facebook pages can do a lot of the work because you can find any type of content through Facebook by simply using the right keywords. But businesses won't be easily found organically if they're not already popular. If you want to reach a broader audience for your business, you will need to do more than creating a Facebook page. Namely, you will need to advertise your business, and Facebook has that covered. The Facebook ads are advertising units that are shown to Facebook users on the Facebook advertising network. The Facebook advertising network is Facebook's response to the increasingly growing world of advertising platforms. We're pretty sure that you've seen Facebook ads yourself, even without realizing it. Have you noticed that you have come across certain posts from pages that you do not follow on your Facebook timeline? That right there is a Facebook ad targeted at you specifically. And when you like a sponsored post or start following the Facebook page promoting the post, then the advertising objective has been achieved by the advertiser. And that is the power of Facebook ads. Facebook ads blend naturally across users' timelines on desktop and mobile devices without being intrusive, whereas advert units on other advertising networks such as the Google Ad Network can be easily spotted as ads and are pretty much ignored because of that. Facebook ads are great because they retain the very same elements that make any other Facebook post so engaging. Most Facebook ads have a title, just like any other regular page post. Facebook ads have their own image, and they're cheaper than display ads on most advertising networks. Facebook ads include their own ad copy space. And because Facebook ads are mostly crafted as regular posts, their copy helps them to blend incredibly well among all the content on a user's feed. Lastly, Facebook ads have their own engagement queue, which depends on the objective set by the advertiser during setup. These engagement queues include like buttons, shop buttons, link buttons, and more. What's more, Facebook ads are served on the basis of user activity and profile, which means that such ads are targeted to users according to demographic information, entertainment preferences, devices, and partner-supplied data through behavioral tracking. That means that Facebook ads are based on what they do, on what they like, and on who they interact with on Facebook, making Facebook ads perhaps the most finely targeted option for advertisers. But Facebook advertising goes beyond that, and it can help businesses to reach out to potential customers who are not engaged the first time. Want to learn more? Tune in to the following video.